Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to enable the dark mode for OnlyFans. Now let us begin. For your information, I've already logged into my account, and in case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to enable the dark mode. At the top left, you can see your profile picture right here. Just a web home, click on it. And once you guys do that, this thing will open up. Right here's my name, my username and everything. Right now all I want to do is toggle on the dark mode. Just below help and support, you can see the dark mode button right here. Click on it. And guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, dark mode will be enabled. And guys, that is it. Simply follow the same process and as such you will also be able to enable light mode. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable dark mode on OnlyFans. The process, quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, do remember, hit like, share and definitely subscribe. We are gonna be uploading videos like this. Until next time, thank you.